Today we're gonna take this thumbnail image from MrBeast and recreate it using AI. Hey everyone, I'm Dom from Wondershare UniConverter. So in my opinion, MrBeast is not only the king of YouTube, but the king of thumbnails as well. He understands the concept of a good thumbnail, the importance of it, and he puts a lot of effort into making one. And by effort, I mean money. And I mean, the numbers speak for themselves. Today I'll show you that you could also make thumbnails like him with the right tools and of course practice without spending a lot of money. So let's get started. Now first and foremost, we'll need our base materials. We need the cave background image and we'll need an image of me sitting like him. We are going to use AI to generate the cave image since it's kind of unique and not 100% photorealistic. The tool we're going to use is the AI thumbnail maker in the UniConverter. If you don't have the UniConverter yet, download it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. And then once you have it, open it up and find the thumbnail maker within the tools menu here. Now please note that while there is a free trial version of the UniConverter, the tool itself is not entirely free. Then I'll choose the nature preset with obviously the 16:9 aspect ratio preset. So let's write our prompt here. And then click on generate. Okay, these aren't bad, but I'm not entirely sold yet. So let's modify the prompt a bit and then hit generate again. Getting close, but still not it. Let's tweak it even more. Okay, that's it. That's the one. I like it. This is what we're gonna work with. Now we will work on this in Photoshop, but to start out, it's perfect. Now let's move on to making the photo of me. Hey guys, so now we're going to create the second part of this thumbnail, which is a photo of me pretending to be MrBeast, like he is in this image. Here we need that light because if you paid attention to the image, he has this torch in his hand, which means we need a yellowish light to reflect on my face that will represent the torch. I'm gonna use this remote control to hold something so I could replace it with the torch later on. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I think I have the image. I know you can't see it just yet, but it's gonna be fine. Okay, now we have the image of me and the image of the cave, so let's compile the thumbnail. So we're in Photoshop with our AI generated image. Now what I want to do is composite myself on the side here. But before all, let's import a photo of me. First of all, let's remove the background. In Photoshop, there's this very neat feature in the newer versions called Select Subject, which automatically removes the background of the image, and it does it pretty accurately. My knee here needs a bit of correction, but that's alright. Then you go to Select and Mask, and make a new layer with the selection. Now, if you look at the original image, here he takes up most of the frame. So that's what we're gonna do too. Now we have to manipulate this image a bit more. First of all, I'm going to mirror this image. This is better for me because now we have this brighter spot on the left here where I'll look much better. But what I'm still missing is a larger chunk of a wall for this image. So since the new Photoshop has a generative AI feature, we're going to use it to modify this AI generated image so it could fit our needs. I'm just gonna choose how much I'd like to extend it and I'll type extend cave wall. Now let's wait for the results. Okay, so we have a few versions to choose from. They're pretty similar, but I think I like this one the most. Okay, now let's see how I fit in this image. That'll work. Obviously, we have to color match my image to the cave. And for that, we have to see where the light is actually coming from. Now, I'm also gonna have a torch in my hand, so a bit of a sidetrack. Let's find a torch. This will work, but I'm going to put it in my hands later. Now let's focus on color correction and lighting. So we have the light coming from this direction where there's the bonfire, and then also where the torch will be, which means that this side of the image should be almost completely dark. So I'm going to create a mask on this side of my face, and I'm going to give it a nice feather and save it as a new layer. And now let's adjust the exposure and contrast on this layer. Now on the other side where the torch's light should hit my face, I'll do the same, but I'm going to boost the red colors on this side that I initially helped with the orange light, if you remember when I was taking the photo. And now I'm going to put the torch in my hand. Okay, first I'm going to modify the colors of the torch as well so that it fits the scene better. And later I'm gonna put a bigger flame on the torch so it looks even better. All right, let's create a new layer of my hand. Now, the flame's light touches my hand too, so I'll create a hand layer once again and change the colors, and I will make the other half darker. Alright, next I'll add some dirt on my face. So let's look for dirt texture. I'll change the scale of it and mask it around to make this blend in. That works for me, but I'm gonna need to clear my eyes. And now we'll do the same with this layer, but over my hand. Okay, next step, I still have to fix my hair here. And I'm just gonna, you know what, just paint over it using a dark color with the brush tool. Let's add that bigger flame on the torch. I'm gonna use this image. I'll change the layer mode to screen as this has a dark background, and then erase the parts that I don't need. Looks much better already. Now let's copy everything and paste it into a new tab with the proper 16:9 aspect ratio. Then scale everything up and find the best framing for us. Okay, so the original thumbnail has a number on the wall here, so I'll replicate that, but actually I'm just gonna put it over here. Okay, so it's basically done. I'm gonna give it a final color correction, then I'll merge everything and then do some final touches by adding some extra sharpness to the image and some focal depth. And then voila, this is our thumbnail. That looks pretty great if you ask me. I think we did a good job, don't you think? If you agree, make sure that you leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Let us know for any questions, and with that being said, thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.